So all care so far has been palliative for Rett syndrome, and there is trofinetide, which is probably the only molecule considered really late stage development, and that treatment has been put through to the FDA for an approval, a review and approval, and the PDUFA date for trofinetide is March 12th of 2023. So that's coming up. Trofinetide does not target the root cause of the disease, but that's fine. There's still a number of other potential therapeutics that are in development. So with the explosion of CRISPR technology, it's really revolutionized the way we can target and manage diseases. So almost every disease to date has been palliative, where you simply have no option other than to manage symptoms. And now with CRISPR technologies in development, it's really changing the way that we can address some of these genetic disorders. And I think that's one thing that families have a lot to look forward to and be optimistic about, is the fact that we know the cause of Rett syndrome, which a lot of disorders don't have that luxury. We also know that the neurons in the brain don't die, that they're still available. And we know that animal models show that this syndrome appears to be reversible, which is really exciting, because if that's true, it holds promise that it could be reversible in humans as well. And that really puts a cure in reach. And there's been a number of announcements this year with some gene replacement therapies that aim to restore MECP2 at the root cause. And both the Taysha gene therapy as well as the neurogene gene therapy both got their start in RSRT's gene therapy consortium that started back in 2014. So that's really exciting. And then there's a number of other ways to genetically target MECP2 through efforts in X reactivation to awaken that silent MECP2 on the inactive X. There's also efforts in RNA editing to correct mutations in the RNA. And then there's also efforts in DNA editing as well, which can correct mutations directly in the DNA. And in all of those cases, you have the ability to restore functional MECP2, which should restore function in the cells and hopefully restore function everywhere. So that's what we're really excited about, is the opportunity not only to just treat symptoms and get through the day, but to potentially cure this disorder and eradicate it.